Hello everyone, this is KDev. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your Mac name in macOS Mojave. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the System Preferences, which you can be accessed from the Apple menu on top and clicking on System Preferences. The first thing you want to do is go to the Sharing icon in your System Preferences. Then you're going to see your computer name right over here. What you want to do is you want to type the new computer name that you would like. In this case, I'm going to call it KDev Mac. I'm going to hit enter, and I can see that it has been changed right over here, but it hasn't in my terminal menu. If I simply open a new terminal screen, I can see that my Mac name has been officially changed to KDev Mac. That's all it is. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you do, please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.